In the words of Eminem, guess who's back? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. It's been a hot minute. Boys and girls, let me tell you something. It's been a shit show. Just the back surgery, dealing with Madison, leg injuries. Oh, cancer scare. Eventually I have to have something removed from here. It's called PASH. There is a link between PASH turning into cancer and all that, and I've come to discover that it has gotten bigger and will need removed. So yay, good times. So I have my follow-up appointment with my oncologist on July 30th. So, you know, good times. Good times. I've been skating my little ass off. Oh, forgot to add that because of muscle memory, April 25th, I was doing a second lesson with my coach, and my single axle turned into a double axle and fractured my ankle and messed up 5 ligaments. So when I tell you hot mess express. So, you know, what if. But anyways, we got our Ipsy with add-ons. I just opened it because I've come to the realization that I did not have anything sharp to open it with. So hold on. Sorry, had to get my brushes. Like I said, it's been a hot minute. So it's good to be back. I am going to be doing more of my Ipsy boxes, more makeup looks, skating videos, because it makes me feel better. And if you don't like it, bye Felicia, and go somewhere else. It's all good. Whatevs. So this is July's box, and I do, like I said, I do have add-ons. I am obsessed with Biro products. Biro has done me so freaking well with regard to my skin. Look at this glow. And so this is from a previous, okay? I had purchased this Biro Paraserum, and let me tell you something. I don't know what all is in my box. Ooh, look at that. Anyway, look at that. So, this made my skin glow, tightened things up, just made me look and feel young again, and it was freaking awesome. So, needless to say, I bought 3 more of these, of the Paraserum and the English breakfast tea. If you don't know, this essence, listen to this description. Powerful treatment essence fortified with black tea, kombucha, that effectively boosts skin barrier function, restores firmness and elasticity, and locks in moisture. What do y'all think? I am barefaced, I have nothing, and I'm gonna be 41 in September, so just saying. So, okay, so we got some eyeshadow, but we're not going to do that yet. Let's look for what we got in this skincare-ish that we can put on the face. Okay, so this is the Dr. B Lab Hydrating Serum to Highlighter, and this is Grown Alchemist Instant Soothing Serum. So I think I'm going to use the Grown Alchemist first. I don't think there's anything else in here that is face related. I'm going to use this first. And so what this does, hydrating serum, leaves skin looking instantly plumped with moisture, revitalizing the appearance of skin, and visible dehydration. This is what the Grown Alchemist looks like in a nice little brown vial. It doesn't smell like anything. If anything, it smells like, I'm assuming, we're just going to put so many. It smells like the Josie Maran Argan Oil to me. So I usually, for any type of oil serum, I use 5 drops. Ooh, this absorbs really fast. Next up, we're going to do the Dr. B Lab Hydrating to Serum Highlighter, if y'all didn't remember from that short amount of time. So, this is High Luminosity Hydration, ashwagandha root and camellia seed. Ooh, camellia seed is good. Camellia seed is good. Antioxidant rich. For glass-like smoothness. Okay, y'all saw my face before I put this on there, and it kind of got dulled out a little bit, but my focus has been on like the glass skin type of thing, you know, blame the Koreans, you know, whatever. So we're going to do that. I don't notice a smell, so this is what it looks like coming out. So we put some on there. It smells like, if any of my OGs, the St. Ives apricot scrub. That's what it smells like. St. Ives. Okay? Look at mine. Just FYI. Just the glow. Glow factor. Awesome. This is, I mean, look at my skin. Glowy. Okay? So, we'll put that in there. This thing is amazing. Okay. We got some Tula Balanced Skincare. Okay, I believe that this is like a tinted moisturizer. I didn't read it. Radiant Skin Brightening Serum, Skin Tint Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So we've been getting a lot of sun, usually Western PA, since I've been living here since I got out of the military, has been... It would have sunny days, let's just put it that way. But as of recently, I don't know. Supposedly it's, well, it's not even supposedly. It's rainy. Okay, so, but let's do something here to brighten up the skin, I guess. So we're going to open up my LaRousse Beauty. Let's get some brushes here. Right, and let's get this started. I have my little makeup kit. This is actually my work makeup kit, and it has become my little OG. So she likes to get things done. So this is what it looks like. Ipsy chose color 11. I don't know what that looks like. I really don't use face makeup unless it's photo shoots, events, because they're going to be taking pictures, you know, skating shows, skating competitions. So we're going to squeeze. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so we're going to start off with this. This is probably going to be a lot, especially since it's kind of like a skin ceutical type of deal. But, so while I'm putting this on my face, while I beat my face with this, so how about, so I qualified for a competition. So we have what's called the State Games. You know what I mean? State Games of America. It's kind of like the American version of the Olympics. That match is pretty good. Okay. Given my ankle injury and the the ligaments that I messed up, I can't skate the State Games. My right foot, especially it being my landing foot, certain jumps, certain spins, back spins especially, can't do. The one practice, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago now, since it's Sunday, I felt like I looked like Gollum. Okay, mind you, and don't judge me, never seen Lord of the Rings. Like I said, don't judge me. Okay, never seen Lord of the Rings, and was hunched over. Basically what it is, you know, a figure skating blade has like a rocker, and you have to be able to kind of lift yourself up on that rocker. Because of that, still weakness on my foot, my right foot especially, I can't lift myself up. It hurts. Certain jumps that are in my program, landing. Certain landings hurt. Though my last lesson with my coach, I did my first single jumps given my foot injury. I did a flip and a loop, or flip and a lutz and a loop. I was excited. I landed them. There was pressure for sure, but I landed them. I didn't collapse and fall. Like, it was good. What about that glow? I look like I have glass skin makeup on, like in the mirror. It's amazing. And there is a glow. So I see you. So I'm going to use some OGs, and we're just, you know what? We're just going to do a nice little makeup look.
Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're a Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. 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 Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We're going hard. Pour some more into my cup. Sparkling star. Crystal glitter all over. Get in my car. Let's go to my favorite club. Rich like a queen. All my clothes are designer. Life is a dream. Don't wanna wake up from her. Strawberry cream. My lips taste just like sugar. Compared to me, you look like an amateur. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. 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 All my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and us more, but still my pillow's on the floor. Anyone could say that we are never assured, for things we're dreaming of are always out of the store. Pages, a lot of pages to forget. I'm so bored to say, call me if you need a hand. Did you ever think I'm a friend? Everything will come to an end. It's so complicated to let go. I've come to know the hardest words to understand. The last so easy to pretend.
Right? I'm going to use a little bit of highlighter. Let's be real. I'm going to use a little bit of, I'm going to use this cornflower as a bit of highlighter. This eyeshadow. Oh my god. Awesome! Here is my finished look. even though I did use the wrong palette initially. I want to say I'm super happy with the things that I did get in my Ipsy box. They all worked pretty awesome. So there isn't going to be a giveaway for this month because, you know, I'm getting back in the groove of things and everything else too. But let me just say I do have a bunch of my goodie bag for next month. So thank you for chatting, spending time with me. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the month, rest of the day, rest of the year. And I hope that you'll keep your head up, keep striving to be better. Until then, mwah. Peace, grease, and monkey teeth.